Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make bruschetta. So here are my cut up tomatoes. There are just 3 of them. So this is a really fresh and just delicious recipe and I just love it a lot. So let's get started. So here's my raspberry vinaigrette and lemon olive oil. But sometimes I use pomegranate vinaigrette instead of raspberry. So here are my tomatoes as you saw before, and here's my basil. Here's some Mediterranean salt. So now you just add 1 teaspoon of lemon olive oil. So now I'm just mixing the tomatoes and the olive oil together. Now I am just adding 1 tablespoon of the raspberry vinaigrette with the tomatoes. And now I'm just going to mix them up. Now I'm adding my basil, which we actually have a basil tree thing, so I got that fresh from there. And so I'm just mixing that all in. So now I'm just adding a little bit of my Mediterranean salt for flavor. Here's what the final product looks like. Here's the bread. So we just got this bread from Whole Foods. So here's just a little display of all of the things together, and as you can see, I have a little bit of mozzarella here. So here is Sammy putting all of the ingredients together. Thanks for watching. Bye!